I'm gonna break down the most iconic yoga pose you'll find.
Let's go.
What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach, and this is Critical Bench. Warrior 2, virabhadrasana 2, is one of the most iconic yoga poses that there is. When you think yoga, one of the first things that pops in your mind is Warrior 2. The thing is I see so many students practicing Warrior 2 incorrectly. You know, a lot of times in yoga classes, especially during flows that are faster paced, you don't really have the time to learn the alignment. You don't have time to sit in the posture and get the full benefits. So in this video, I'm gonna break down Warrior 2 from the ground up, give you the proper alignment, give you some modifications, as well as the most common mistakes that I see. Now, the most common way that you'll find yourself into Warrior 2 is from downward facing dog, so we'll go there. Reaching the hips up, heart towards thighs, deep inhale, reach the right leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, curl it in, step it through. Now when you're here, first thing you wanna do, set that back heel down, and then inhale, windmill your arms up. Now, unlike Warrior 1, which has your hips facing forward in a closed position, here your hips are open out to the side. If your hips were headlights, they'd be going out to the side that you're facing. Now, the first thing you want to do is take a look at that back leg, right? You do not want the toes pointing back. That's bad on your knee. Either parallel with the back of your mat or slightly turned in towards inward. Another thing is, a lot of times people are in their Warrior 2 and that knee is collapsing. No. Press the outer edge of that back foot down. Protect that knee, right? So that's your back leg. Outer edge down, toes parallel or slightly in. Looking at the front leg, you want to have a wide stance, just wide enough to keep that knee directly over your ankle. A common thing I see is that front knee collapsing in Warrior 2, and that knee's, no, bring it out. Engage the outer hip, knee directly over ankle like a pillar. Ideally, the front leg would be parallel, but if you're not there, you can bring it a little closer and have it a little higher. Another thing is the hips. A lot of people, when they're in Warrior 2, they don't have core control, so they allow their butt to stick out. Use your core, engage your core. The bottom of the rib cage and top of the pelvis, bring it together, right? Slight tuck of the tailbone. Now the arms, this is where I see one of the most common mistakes. Your arms directly out, reaching forward and back, reaching in both directions. A nice cue that I like to do is flip the palms up for a moment, right? Engage your upper back. Allow your back, which is stronger than your shoulders, to hold your arms up. Now, from your elbows down to fingers, rotate it down, keeping that external rotation, right? So externally rotate and then slowly rotate the palms down. Right? Fingertips together. Your gaze is strong over that front hand. Another thing I see is people, they have a good front arm, but they just let that back arm lag because you can't see it. No, press out. You're really reaching out in the front and back. You're reaching out towards life courageously like a warrior, hence the name. So this is your virabhadrasana 2. You can also, as a modification, you can just bring that back hand to your hip if it's a little difficult to keep it out. Another one is reverse warrior. So you're gonna flip that front palm, reach it forward, and on your inhale, reach it back. Keeping that front knee bent, really reaching the right hand towards the back of the room. You can keep that left hand down on the left leg, or you can even thread it behind the low back, maybe even bringing it towards the right thigh. The key is to get that side body stretch here. This is the most common Warrior 2 that you'll find. Hey, I have a gift for you. It's a free video on the best stretches to do in the morning. It's down below in the pinned comment. Now I'm gonna bring in Coach Tanya to help demonstrate. What's up, Coach Tanya?
Hey.
All right, let's get into Warrior 2. All right, so as you can see, you don't see the back arm, which is why a lot of people let it lag behind. You gotta give it just as much love as the front arm, so really reach it towards the back. And a lot of times, if you're just using your shoulders to hold you up, your arms will get tired. So do that thing where flip the palms up, really engage the back, and then from elbows down to fingers, rotate it down. Good. Forward a little bit. Now, a lot of times people will be leaning forward, almost leaning forward into the future. And other times people will be leaning back, almost like leaning back into the past. You want to be present. Hips directly under torso. So back a little bit right here. Deep bend in that front knee. Good. Another thing I want to mention is from front heel to back heel, it's about a straight line, like a track, right? Just leaning forward just a little bit. So right here. Good. Breathe. Keep breathing. See if you can bend a little deeper in that front leg. Give this arm just as much love. Good. Don't forget to always be pressing this outer edge of the foot down to protect that knee. Don't allow this knee to collapse in. Go ahead and let it collapse in just to, nice cue I like to say if people do allow that knee. Yeah, you're holding this for a while. Is engage your outer hip. Yes, bring that knee directly over the ankle. Good. Back arm, just as much love. There you go. This is your virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. I hope this video helps you. You know, Warrior 2 is an extremely common posture, and breaking it down and getting the alignment will make sure you get the full benefits of the posture without injuring yourself. Don't forget to check out that free video on the best morning routine for stretching, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Namaste.